splits, Liam. Whoa, those are good splits.
I'm just this picture.
You can see it after it's done recording.
Go do your stomps. Go stomp really slow.
There's Daddy with baby Annalie. She's 6 weeks old. Hi, little girl. Hi. You're just sitting up. So alert. Daddy. And Liam's stomping fancy feet.
I'm stomping real fast.
Okay. Go really fast again.
Stomp really slow.
I don't have them, Liam. I think you ate them all.
Here you go, Liam.
I have them. Mommy.
Okay, let me see you work out. Okay, I want to see your working out. Okay. I'll hold it.
I'll hold it.
Oh, you want to hold it? Okay. Let me see you work out.
I'm going to go way faster.
That's good stomping. Oh, slowly stomping.
I go way fast. I go way fast.
That's great.
Way fast, Daddy.
Yeah, go really fast.
Okay, let me see your splits again.
Do a split.
My water.
You're holding it. In your hand. There you go.
Let me see your splits again. Okay.